We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 25. Which situation is best represented by the following equation? Option A. An office manager paid $675.95 to build a website. The office manager bought a software package for $68.50 and paid an employee $127.95 for each hour she worked on the website. What is X, the number of hours the employee worked on the website? Notice the $127.95 for each hour, which means $127.95 multiplied by X. Hence, option A is not correct. Option B. An office manager paid $675.95 for computer equipment. The office manager bought one monitor for $127.95 and hard drives for $68.50 each. What is X, the number of hard drives the office manager bought? Notice the $68.50 each here, which means 68.50 times X. Option B is matching with the equation, therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 26. Regina has 3 number cubes. The faces of each number cube are numbered from 1 to 6. Regina will roll each number cube one time. What is the probability that all 3 number cubes will land on an odd number? There are 6 faces on a cube and 3 odd numbers. Hence, the probability of each cube is 3 over 6. 3 cubes means 3 over 6 times. By 3 over 6 times 3 over 6 equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 8. Therefore, J is the correct answer. Question number 27. What is the solution set for this inequality? First, convert 5 and 1 over 2 to 11 over 2. Then, looking at the steps to solve this inequality here. To understand the steps for solving this inequality, we recommend searching for tutorials on YouTube. If we get a chance, we'll walk you through the steps. Showing the whole process in this video, along with the other problems, would be time-consuming. Question number 28. The net of a triangular prism and its approximate dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the total surface area of the triangular prism in square inches? The area of a triangle equals 1 over 2 times base times height. Base side equals 12. Height equals 10.4 inches. Substitute the numbers to the formula, we got 62.4 square inches for the triangle. The area of a rectangle equals base times height, which equals 4 times 12 equals 48. We have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles, hence the total area of the triangular prism equals 62.4 plus 62.4 plus 48 plus 48 plus 48 equals 268.8 square inches. Therefore, F is the correct answer.